Welcome back, guys, to the SKGS Incorporated YouTube channel. And this is an update on the previous video that we had and the analysis that we did last time. Okay, so as you guys remember, we had a sell trade that we were doing, right? Okay, so I'm just going to update you on how that sell trade went because you know that we completely transparent on this channel and there's nothing to hide because we do live trading. Okay, so as you guys remember, we had a sell trade on the 22nd of January, which was like last week, right? Where we took a sell here, right? And NASDAQ did sell, but it did not go all the way to the level that we wanted it to go to, right? So I have added this trend line here, right? And this trend line here, in order to create this channel, because it seems that price wasn't done actually reaching the heights that it wanted to reach, right? So now, since last time, NASDAQ's all-time new high was this one here, right, at 17,400. Now the new one is here at 17,700. That's the new like all-time high now, because obviously NASDAQ went higher and we hit our stop loss, right? Okay, cool. But like I said before, the reason why it's not as simple to actually predict what NASDAQ when it's doing this type of thing with the new all-time highs because there's no previous data that you can use to actually you know make your bias and your analysis on because it's much easier that way. So now NASDAQ is just trying to establish itself, right, with the new high. Cool. So anyways, this is our all-time new high now, right? But through this happening, I have seen that NASDAQ is creating a new structure now, which will help us to see what exactly it's going to do, right? So now what I've seen is that NASDAQ is creating a head and shoulders formation, right? And I'll show you what I mean by head and shoulders. So as you guys saw from the previous video, we had the inverted head and shoulders where NASDAQ started buying. Now this is a normal head and shoulders, right? Inverted means upside down, yeah? But I won't go into that. That was in the previous video. Okay, so now the normal head and shoulders is an upright head and shoulders where we have the head, which would be this section here. And then we have the left shoulder, which would be this section here, right? As you can see. And then we'd have the right shoulder, which is currently forming right now, right? It's over here. Okay. So what does this tell us, guys? So this tells us that NASDAQ is going to continue to sell, even though here, as you can see, we hit our stop loss. NASDAQ sold a little bit and then it went back up to hit our stop loss. So that didn't really count. Okay, this is wrong. This should be here. That didn't really count. So now, wait, what's going on here? Okay. Just give me a second. Okay, something went wrong here. This is supposed to be here. Yeah, that's supposed to be there. And then this is supposed to be here. Yeah, like this. Okay, anyways, now we have our normal head and shoulders. So let me just label it quickly so you guys can see what's going on. So this would be the head over here. That would be the head. Right. This would be the shoulder over here. Okay, give me a second. Okay, this is the left shoulder. Then we have our right shoulder over here. So now how do we use this to our advantage, guys? So what we are going to do is that we are going to take another sell trade, right? Because this is confirmation now that it's going to sell again, right? So now our new trade is going to be another sell trade where we're going to sell, okay, we're going to sell from here, same place as last time, and then we're going to have the same TP as last time, right? Okay, so our TP is at secret level 17,100. Our entry is at secret level 17,400. And then our stop loss is going to be here at secret level 17,500. Okay, so this is what we are looking for. So when you take this trade, it's going to be a sell from here all the way to here. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this side, obviously, because it's irrelevant now. And then I'll show you how the inverted head and shoulders looks. Okay, I'm gonna illustrate it for you guys, so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I mean the head and shoulders, sorry. Okay, so this is the head and shoulders over here, right? How it would look. Okay, there. And then this is the shoulder over here. Let me actually do it this way. And then this would be the continuation of the right shoulder. We would sell from here, secret level 15,400 all the way to TP here, secret level 17,100. Okay. So now that is the new analysis, and we will see how things play out. Okay. Also, sorry for the background noise. Right now, there's a couple of renovations happening at my house, so you're gonna hear a bit of construction workers outside. But anyways, this is the analysis, and we are selling again, and we will see what NASDAQ chooses to do in the next video. Okay. So this is me signing out, and we will see what happens in the next video. And remember, guys, we're using the secret level strategy, H1 time frame, and we're using the secret levels for entries, stop loss, and take profits. Okay, so that is the analysis. Actually, let me just put the labels of the TP and the entry, because some people like that type of stuff. So that's the TP over there. And then this is the entry over here. Entry. TP. Okay, there you go. So I will see you in the next video when NASDAQ has shown us what it wants to do.